Hi, welcome here. Today we talk about Samsung reportedly wants to sell its Galaxy Fold tech to Apple and Google. The screen tech behind the Samsung Galaxy Fold is certainly innovative and likely to help influence the future of phones, along with similar devices like the Huawei iMate X. Now it seems Samsung wants to supply folding screens to Apple and Google as well. As per a report in ET News, Samsung has already provided samples to Apple and Google with a view to helping them get their own foldable phones into mass production. This isn't completely unprecedented. Of course, Samsung is one of the companies that supplies display panels for the iPhone, so it's already both a partner with and a competitor to Apple. Google Duo is hitting the web. Apple's next products will blow you away. Here's our review of the Galaxy S10 Plus. If the rumor is true, then it might mean we see a foldable handset from Apple or Google sooner than we otherwise would. Apparently Samsung is also in touch with Huawei and Oppo about folding screens. Bend it like Samsung. For a while now we've been seeing hints that Apple is at least thinking about a foldable iPhone. Earlier this week an Apple patent showed off what such a device might look like. While there's little indication that the Google Pixel 4 would end up being a foldable phone, it's something the company's hardware division might want to look into exploring in the future. According to the ET News report, Samsung is geared up to make 2.4 million folding panels a year at the moment, and could up that to 10 million if the demand is there. So far we've been impressed with what we've seen with the foldable phone revolution, and it looks like there are plenty more handsets on the way to look forward to. If you're not interested in folding phones, what about 5G phones? Via Mac rumors.